Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone so changes stick. Make sure the S25 Ultra is on the latest update and has at least 20% battery. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Games or the Game Launcher app. This is where Game Mode lives. You'll see a Game Mode or Game Booster toggle. Flip it on. Make sure to grant overlay and notification permissions when prompted, since Game Mode needs those to block interruptions and show its floating controls. Now configure the specific options so Game Mode behaves the way you want. Tap into the Game Mode settings and pick a performance profile, balanced for daily play, high performance for competitive sessions, or battery saver when needed. Make sure Do Not Disturb for games and overlay access are enabled. This blocks notifications and lets the floating toolbar control recording and performance. Finally, set frame rate limits, touch sensitivity, and GPU optimization based on the game. These changes reduce lag and input delay. You're almost done. Launch the game you want and confirm the Game Mode icon or floating toolbar appears. This shows the mode is active. Once in game, play a short session to verify frame rate feels steady, touch response improves, and notifications are suppressed. If something doesn't work, make sure permissions weren't denied. Reboot the phone, regrant overlay and notification access, or reset game mode settings and redo the steps. That usually resolves permission or overlay conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.